Hey everyone, it is Dani'i and welcome to this updated video for the tropics. And so guys, we have a bit to talk about, but this video is really to brief you on the latest from the National Hurricane Center. So we do have a newly identified area of disturbed weather just off the southeastern coast of the US that has a chance to develop into a subtropical cyclone, and then over in the Gulf we still have our Invest 92L. So is it likely that we will have two named storms this week? And so guys, before I go into details, okay guys, and so now I'm in depth with these systems. So first up, let's talk about that newly identified area of disturbed weather. So at this time, as you're seeing, it is given a 20% chance to develop into a subtropical cyclone during the next 5 days. And so guys, it is possible that we could definitely have a subtropical storm, and we really need to watch this thing here because there have been countless scenarios of when we have these areas being recently identified in just a day or 2 days after we have a named storm. So these subtropical systems tend to come on quite quickly a lot of times, and I wouldn't be surprised if this is the scenario with this low pressure area right here, guys. And so I wouldn't even be surprised if it becomes a named storm before our Gulf disturbance, because of course guys, as I said, these subtropical systems can come on very quickly. And on satellite view, we're not seeing much organization, but it has a chance of becoming better organized and eventually becoming our next named storm. And so you might be curious, what's the next name after Bill? So that next name is going to be Claudette. So that is the next name. So Bill and Claudette are the next two names. And so if we have these two areas of disturbed weather being developed into tropical cyclones or subtropical cyclone, they will acquire the names Bill and Claudette. And so guys, in terms of ocean temperatures, they will be a bit supportive, marginally conductive for this thing to develop into a subtropical cyclone, and it's really going to be moving to the northeast. So fortunately, it is not likely to be much of a threat to land, guys, and so it is just going to be moving parallel to the east coast of the US. And so now let's go on to our Gulf disturbance, or Invest 92L. And so at this time, the chance has been stagnant at 50% since earlier today, and so we're still having it meandering around in the Bay of Campeche, and it is still going to be a rainmaker, especially for Mexico. So if you're there, probably experiencing some heavy rainfall, and so this thing is going to be staying there for most of this week. And so on satellite view, this thing is looking very disorganized, but as time goes by, once conditions remain favorable, we will see it looking a lot better, and the chance is eventually going to be increasing, guys. And so if you're along the Gulf Coast of the US, you still want to take the necessary precautions and be on alert, because this system here still has the chance to develop. Even though it's been stagnant, it has not dropped, which means that there would be the best case scenario of it not developing, and our models are still agreeing that we could have a tropical storm coming from this area of low pressure, guys. And so guys, that is really it for this update. And so if you found this video to be quite informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments to ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And of course, remember to always be weatherwise, and of course I'll keep you updated as time goes by.